turtles in the morning sun wiggled their toes and had some fun. One went swimming in a shiny blue lake. Splash with the turtle, make no mistake. Turtle 1, turtle 2. Come and count the turtles too. Tiny, slow, but full of cheer. Let's see how many turtles are here. 4 tiny turtles playing on the shore. One made a slide and then there were 4. Down he slid with a little whee into the sand, as happy as can be. 3 tiny turtles found a shiny shell. They took a peek and said, "It's swell." One crawled inside to take a nap and left 2 turtles with a giggle and clap. 2 tiny turtles heard a happy song. One danced away and sang along. The other waved and turned around to find the flower on the ground. Turtle 1, turtle 2, turtle 3 and 4 with you. Tiny shells and smiles so wide.